Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nabeel Ahmad. What is my project about? My Dr. Abdus Salam science fair project is a special water filtration system which can clean dirty, contaminated water all in just under a minute. The minimal needs to make this device and the low cost to make and use it makes this device very cheap and have the ability to use low amounts of power. So, how does it work? First, the water inside a bottle gets pushed by a 5-watt water pump towards a thin membrane to start the reverse osmosis process. Then, it gets sent towards a UV light in a steel chamber to start the ultraviolet water purification process. Finally, the clean, purified water comes out from the other side of the tube. What is osmosis? The principle of osmosis, the natural tendency of water with dissolved salts to flow through a membrane from lower to higher salt concentration. This process is found throughout nature. Plants use it to absorb water and nutrients from the soil. In humans and other animals, kidneys use osmosis to absorb water from blood.
Eggs are a natural example of osmosis, but not with the shell on, or not open by itself. The egg has to be naked. The shell has to be completely removed, but the egg is still intact. This is how a naked egg would look. You can see the yellow insides, but it's still a complete egg. Uh, the egg right now is technically a semi-permeable membrane and will only accept water or any other liquid, but not the pepper inside the bowl. As I will put this water inside the bowl, the egg, over a matter of time, will only be absorbed by the egg, but not the pepper, for the pepper is solid.
What is reverse osmosis? In a reverse osmosis system, pressure, like here, usually from a pump, is used to overcome natural osmotic pressure, forcing water with a load of dissolved salts and other impurities, as shown here, through a semi-permeable membrane that removes a high percentage of the impurities. The product of this process is highly purified water. How does UV light work? Water gets pushed towards a stainless steel chamber with a UV light. As water passes the UV light, illness-causing microorganisms get a lethal dose of UV light, which attacks their DNA and eliminates their ability to reproduce, thus deactivating them. This form of water filtration can be very useful in places where water is contaminated or dirty, or if there's a slight chance of contaminated water. Due to the low electricity usage, this filtration system could be used as a hand crank system, allowing access anywhere, anytime, in any situation. Salam.